Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view current asset details in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Accounts module. Click the Balance Sheet Reports menu. Choose the Balance Sheet Summary Format one. Select the required date and branch, then click the Submit button. The report will show assets, including the Current Asset section. These are the steps to view current asset details in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.